Hello, everyone. Welcome to the North White Open House. My name is Mr. Jakes. Some of you probably remember me from across the street at the elementary, as I used to teach fifth grade there. However, this year I'll be working in the middle school. I'm going to be teaching eighth grade English as well as a little bit of sixth and seventh grade. When it comes to the classes this year, I do have some expectations as far as behavior is concerned. The most important things I look for in the classroom are respect toward others and effort. I expect anyone that comes into this classroom to try their best on everything we do and to always respect the efforts of those around them. Apart from that, my other concerns are more basic things like showing up to class on time, having all of your materials ready, having any homework that may have been assigned completed. I've never been someone that assigns a lot of homework, so on the occasions that I do, I definitely expect it to be done when you come into the classroom. As far as materials go, I'm going to try and keep things really simple here at the beginning. All I want everyone to have is a spiral-bound notebook, pens and pencils, specifically a red ink pen would be great. Highlighters, maybe like 3 colors. I'm thinking pink, yellow, blue, and a dry erase marker. That's really all I need for now. Obviously, I also expect to have everyone have their Chromebook charged and ready when you come in. And as long as we can keep all of that together, I think we're going to have a great year. That's really all I have to say for now. So I hope you all enjoy the rest of your evening, and I'm really looking forward to seeing the top half of everyone's face in class tomorrow. So have a good evening. Goodbye.